Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1909, a masquerade ball was held at Powhatan Farm. 50 couples attended, traveling as far as Charles City and York County to revel in the 18th century manor house. Today, the property is known as Powhatan Plantation. This week in 1918, the Norge Demonstration Club met to educate residents on baking victory bread. Ideas were shared on how to deal with the shortage of wheat during wartime. Recipes included how to make rye muffins and buckwheat biscuits. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.